How to create a newsletter with MailChimp. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can create a newsletter on MailChimp. Now before we start, what is MailChimp? MailChimp is a web-based email marketing service that allows individuals and businesses to create and manage email marketing campaigns. It provides a user-friendly platform for designing, sending, and tracking newsletters, promotional emails, and other types of marketing message. With MailChimp, users can create email templates, import email lists, segment their audience, and automate email campaigns based on various triggers and events. MailChimp also offers advanced analytics and reporting features, allowing users to track open rates, click-through rates, and other important metrics to measure the effectiveness of their campaigns. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look on the left side. As you can see, we have a lot of options such as create, campaigns, audience, automation, analytics, websites, content, integrations, and help. What we're going to click on is the campaigns over here, and then we're going to click on all campaigns. Now over here, this is where we will be able to find all the different campaigns that we have created. As you can see over here, we could edit the different campaigns by clicking this. We could view the campaign or replicate it. We could also edit it by clicking this, or if you want to delete specific campaigns, you can simply do that and then click on delete, just like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on create campaign. The campaign that we are creating and newsletter is the same thing. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to choose from a regular mail, automation, or a landing page. We're simply going to choose regular mail, and then it will ask us what type of email builder do we want. The first option is the new builder, which is in beta mode. It uses AI-assisted tools to optimize our content and help boost engagement. Or we could use the classic builder, wherein we can create the design using our classic interface, templates, and style. For now, we're going to select this classic builder, and then we would be directed to this page where we need to select a template to work on. Now, as you can see here under features, we have sell products, make an announcement, tell a story, follow up, and educate. And below here, we have the basic templates where we have one column and the different settings for each column. And these templates do not have any content inside of them. And we would be the one who will add the content inside. And as you can notice, when you hover on some of these templates, we would see this message upgrade to use. This means that we cannot use this template unless we upgrade our plan in MailChimp. So for now, we're going to click on sell product as a simple template. After that, we will be redirected to this editing page of MailChimp. As you can see here on the right, we have the different blocks that we can use. We have text, box text, divider, image, image group, image card, image plus text, share, social media follow, button, footer, code, and video. And over here on the left side, we can see that this is our current template right now. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to change our logo by clicking this. And we have these options over here on the top where we can drag this to rearrange the order of the different blocks. We could edit this by clicking here and this will show up on the right. We could duplicate the block or we can delete the specific block. So what we're first going to do is we're going to replace the logo by clicking replace. And then we're going to choose a photo that we like. Now this will be our logo over here. I'm simply going to edit the display size just like that. And if we click on styles up here, we could add a border and add a rounded corner. Under settings, we could change its alignment from center to left or to right, just like that. We could change the margin to edge, and we could do image support by constraining the image dimension by 50% for higher resolution display. Now after that, we're simply going to save and close. And the next thing I want us to do is we're going to click on this heading over here, and we're going to change it to newsletter, just like that. And we could highlight this and then we could change the different styles from heading 1 to TOC heading 1, heading 2, TOC heading 2, and then heading 3, and the other options as well. We could also change the font by clicking over here. We can change the font from standard red fonts to Career new, just like that. You can also increase the font size to a bigger size, just like that. And you can edit its paragraph form. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to styles over here, where we can change once again the font style, the size, we can add color, different add styles, change the line height, change the alignment over here, and under settings, we could also change the number of columns. Now over here on our left side, once again, we're going to look through the different blocks that we have. For example, this one, I don't like this block, so what we're going to do is we're going to click on delete. And after doing this, we would be able to remove that specific section of our page. Now over here, we could add the image that we want to add into our newsletter by simply clicking on replace over here and then uploading it on this page. You can also click on creative assistance and we would be able to create custom designs. Click on my files, products, GIF, if you want to add, Instagram, and your logo, just like that. And just like earlier with the logo, we can change the image size by doing this. And we can change the style, like the borders, and see the different settings as well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to edit this text by clicking here. We could change this to, once again, newsletter, just like that. And then we could change this entire paragraph over here into whatever paragraph that we want for your newsletter, but I won't add one for now. And we could also edit the button over here by simply clicking this, and then we would see this option for our button. We could change the button text from click here, and we could also change the link to from a web address, and then this is where the URL will be placed. Change it to email address, anchor link, or a file, just like that. Under advanced option, we could add a title attributes or a CSS class, just like that. And on the style over here, we can add a border if you want. We could change the corner to a very rounded style or a less rounded style. We could also change the background by clicking on this, and then we could drag around the color that we want. We could also change the button text design over here by changing the font style, the styles, the spacing, the font, the size, and the padding. Under settings, we could also change the alignment from center to left and to right. We can also change the width to full width, and as you can see, this will take up the entire space. The next thing I'm going to do is we can also edit the social media section over here by selecting this option, and then as you can see, we can change and add the different social media websites that we have. You can simply type in the URL of our page, type in our URL for our Twitter, Instagram, and another website that we want. We could choose from LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, Google+, Tumblr, Instagram, Snapchat, SoundCloud, GitHub, and many more. Under settings, you could change the display from icon only to text only to both icon and text, just like that. We can change the alignment to center, to left, and then to right. Change the width to fit the size or full width, just like that. And we could also change the layout by choosing over here. We could have different options depending on what we like. We could also see the icon style from outline to solid. And we could also choose from these options over here if we want it to be colored, pure black, or with a white background, just like that. And after editing that, we're simply going to click on save and close. Now, after editing the components of your newsletter, you can simply go over here and click on preview, where we would be able to enter a preview mode, send a test email, push to mobile, check open link checker, and social cards. And after doing what you want, you could also click over here and click on continue. And we're simply going to click on exit anyway, or we could keep editing. Then we're going to click on maybe later. And now over here, we would be able to change who we are sending this. We could change the title to newsletter demo, just like that. We could save this. We could add the recipients, add who is sending this campaign, add a subject, and then the content over here. We could share our campaign by using the campaign link over here. Add a social post to your campaign, just like that. And after adding the things that you want to add here, you can simply click on this button over here. And after adding the information you want here, you can simply click over here after finishing importing the information. And that's it, guys. That's how you can create a newsletter on MailChimp. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.